beautiful and handsome royal babes. It's your girl Ashantia, aka THEROYALTIA, back again with another video for y'all. So don't mind my hair. I'm literally just rolling out of bed. Okay. Bonnet came off. I had my hair in like a bun. But yeah, a lot of people have been asking me what my hair color is. So, you know, got the purplish thing on. You can really see it here more so. And then it's like an ash brown as well. I know there's green somewhere in the center. But yeah, y'all know I dyed my hair blue in November for my 21st birthday. And this is the aftermath of, you know, semi-uniform cool a month later and the blue coming out because it was a demi-permanent color. So of course, I don't even think it's called demi-permanent. I think it's just called like a demi color. And of course, like, it don't last long. It comes right on out. So this is the after effects remnants of it. I know for a fact like the purplish colors and stuff came from when I had what is it called, when I had went swimming like in December when I was in the Bahamas in a chlorine pool because I wanted to swim in the rain. So as y'all already saw at the title of the video, I'm gonna show y'all how to do a little simple, you know, cute with lace braid or whatever. So we're just gonna not a lace braid, what am I talking about? So you already saw the title of this video that I'm teaching y'all how to do a lace braid. Yeah, lace braid. I was like, I don't know what I'm talking about, man. But for these, I like to part my hair like a little bit in the center. Oh god, this is gonna hurt. Maybe I should have did this off camera. And y'all please don't judge my roots, okay? It's quarantine. I'm not going out until things get like actually better. So my roots are just gonna look real rough. Sweating last night, that's why my roots are all curly. You guys know that I'm back with my hair actually a lot straightened a lot better. You can see like I didn't like straighten it completely because I'm trying to avoid as much heat as possible. So like I just touched the roots, I really didn't touch like the ends and stuff. Trying to keep my ends healthy because I'm not trying to cut my hair anytime soon. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this. So we're gonna brush it, making sure it's on the waist and all that. Okay. And we're going to take a little front piece. Well, this is like more so of a medium piece, but you know, it is what it is. Separated into 3 sections that are somewhat even. Okay, now that you have your 3 sections, take your right strand, go under the middle. Take your left strand, go over the middle. Right. Take your right strand, well, the one in your right hand, go under the middle. Take the left strand, grab some hairs from the top, go down, take this, right hand, go under the middle, left hand, take some hair from the top. Now we're going to start leaving hair out, so what we're going to do, we're going to take a little out, go under the middle, grab some from the top. Let me get closer so y'all can see a little better. So I just took some from the top. I'm going to take some from the bottom, let it out, and go under. Okay. Take some from the top. Take some from the bottom. Alright, we're gonna go under. This is how you do a waterfall braid, y'all. You take some out. And take some from the top. Yeah, take some out. A good amount, don't be stingy. Okay, cool. Alright, I'm gonna take some from the top. Take some out. And we're just gonna keep repeating this until we get all the way to the complete other side. So I'll be back once that's done. Alright, now you can see I'm almost done. Actually, all this hair can go here. Make sure to move it out. And then we'll this again. Y'all trust me, like it's going to look super duper duper uber cute. This is what we're looking like this for. Of course, like towards the end you can like fix like all the loose strands or whatever in a mirror, or you can just take it out and then tuck it underneath of an opening of the braid and pull it down with the rest of the hair. Whichever one you prefer, whichever one's easier. So once you get down more so towards the ends, you know, leave a good amount off so you can tie it off with the hair tie and it's not looking crazy. I don't know, like I'll use like rubber elastics and stuff. However, you know, I'll be trying to protect my little ends, so. Alright, so that is good. Slide it down just a little bit so it's going to be a lot closer. Alright, so this is what a waterfall braid looks like. I'm going to show y'all how to lace it so it can be like really cute. So this is what we're looking like. I'm going to give y'all a little spin. Take my hair from behind my back. I'm trying to spin in a chair, you guys. Like, it's cute, right? Alright, so now that I'm turning back around, what we're going to do, we are going to kind of shift our hair this way so we can see the split. And we're gonna flip these up real quick, okay? So you're gonna take your brush and you're gonna make sure this bottom is like really, really, really good, okay? So you're gonna grab a little thing of hair, like that between your ear. I like to grab this because it's already right here. So you're gonna take it, right? Get your 3 pieces, and you already know we're going under the middle piece, right? And go under again. And this time, the hair that you have at the top, grab the first strand that you pulled out and go under, okay? So we'll show y'all again. You go under the middle, top piece, take hair from the top, and then go under the middle, okay? So you're just gonna keep repeating this process. Make sure y'all do this in the mirror so y'all can actually see like what you're grabbing exactly. Because I'm just trying to do this on my phone with no mirror. And yeah, you don't want to grab like the wrong strands. And also be careful that you don't pull it too tight, because then your braid will like start to unravel and whatnot, and that's what you don't want. So we're just gonna keep repeating this process. You can braid the bottom however tight or loose that you want, I guess, but that's the only thing we're not being able to see. I'm pretty sure y'all have the concept by now. I think all of that. Maybe the bigger section. Alright, and you're just gonna keep repeating this process. Rotate hands. Now my hands are rotated. I'll turn around so y'all can see what I'm doing in the back. Oh. We're almost done, y'all. We're almost there. Alright, and then we're gonna tie this. No, of course, not all the way, but once we get pretty doggone close. Where's my other hair tie? Oh no, okay, I'm back. I had to get a brand new hair tie. Hope this one is tight. It's not stretched out like the other one, but there we go. Make sure the hair is just, you know. But yeah, y'all, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to do like a full spin and like speed it up so y'all can see. Get all my hair. Oh no, these pieces need to be in the front. Okay. Alright, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this little hair tutorial. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And, you know, if y'all are trying these hairstyles, please tag me on your Instagram or your Twitter. Y'all already know my social media is THEROYALTIA, or just use the hashtag TheRoyalBabes, or a combination of tagging me and using the hashtag TheRoyalBabes so I can see, you know what I'm saying? Or if you want it to be featured with a little shout out on my channel, that's another thing. But yeah, if you're watching this in the morning, good morning. If you're watching this in the afternoon, good afternoon. And if you're watching this at night, have a wonderful night. And I'll see y'all back here tomorrow. Bye.